Hello, sixth graders. Today we're going to be reviewing number sentences and what makes a number sentence. I know you learned this in fifth grade, but how about a little bit of a review? You're going to draw a circle around each number sentence. Now, what makes a number sentence? Well, it needs to have a less than, a greater than, a less than or equal to, a greater than or equal to, or an equal sign, or it isn't equal to sign. This makes it a complete number sentence. So let's take a look at this first one. 17 is less than 27. That is a number sentence because it has a less than symbol. 3 times 15 is less than 100. This is a number sentence as well. 56 divided by 8 doesn't have a less than, greater than, less than, equal to, greater than, equal to, equal sign, or isn't equal to sign. 5 minus 4 times 20, that has an equal sign, so that is a number sentence. 4 plus 23 divided by 9 does not have a symbol in there. 12 is not equal to 12. That equals, this is a number sentence. Choose one item that you did not circle. Explain why it is not a number sentence. Chose 56 divided by 8. It is not a number sentence because it doesn't contain a relation symbol. And the relation symbol is one of these symbols right here. So keep that in mind when we were trying to find out number sentences. Moving on, tell whether each number sentence is true or false. Let's take a look. So here's our relation symbol right here. So this side has to be greater than this side. Let's take a look here. We have 9 minus 2 plus 6 plus 2. Well, 9 minus 8 equals 1. Is that greater than 0.5? It is, so this is true. Moving on to the next one. Is 94 equal to what's on this side? Well, 94 is equal to, we have to do multiplication first because of order of operations. 49 minus 4. 49 minus 4 equals 45. Is 94 equal to 45? That is false. 24 divided by 6, is it less than 33 divided by 11? Well, 24 divided by 6 is 4. Is it less than 33 divided by 11, which would be 3? It is not, so this is false. Next one. 70 minus 25, what does that equal? 70 minus 25 would give me 45. Does it equal 45? Equal? It does, so that is true. Insert parentheses to make each number sentence true. So now I have to put parentheses because of please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. The P in please is parentheses. So that's going to be the first thing I do. I'll have to try and get to 31. Well, what is 28? Let's just start here. What's 28 minus 6? That equals 22. Does 22 plus 9 equals 31? It does. That's pretty easy. I'm just going to parentheses right there. 28 minus 6 plus 9 equals 31. 20 is less than 40 minus 9 plus 11. So we have to make sure that whatever's on this side is greater than 20. Well, let's take a look here. If I add 9 plus 11, that equals 20. 40 minus 20 equals 20. So that wouldn't be the trick to do. So what if we did, because that would be equal, what if we did 40 minus 9 plus 11? 40 minus 9 is 31. Plus 11 gives me 50 or 40, 42. Not 52, apologize. 42. Is 20 less than 42? It is. Perfect. Now, if we would have gone here, that wouldn't have helped us at all because we would have gotten 20, and that doesn't work. Okay? Next problem. We have to get the left side smaller than 12. Well, if I divide here, I'm going to get 3. 36 divided by 3 would be 13. That's not right. So what if I divide the big number, 36 divided by 6? That equals 6. divided by 2, I get 3. That is less than 12. That's where I would insert the parentheses. Next problem. 4 times 8 is 32 minus 4 doesn't equal 16. I have to get to 16. I have to go 4 times 4. So 4 times 8 minus 4 is 4 equals 16. That's where I would insert the parentheses. Here I'm writing the number sentence out for each. So if 14 is subtracted from 60, the result is 50. So if I have 60 minus 14, it equals 50. Well, we know that's false. 90 is 3 times as much as 30. So that means 90 is 3 times as much as 30. So 30 times 3. Is that true? That sure is true. The next one is 21 increased by 7 is less than 40. So 21 increased by 7 would be 21 plus 7 is less than 40. Well, 21 plus 7 is 28. So that is less than 40, so that is true. The square root of 36 is greater than half of 10. Square root of 36 is greater than half of 10. Well, the square root of 36, that means 6 times 6 is 36. So the square root of 36 is 6. Is that greater than half of 10, which is 5? It sure is, so that is true. Moving on to the next ones. Okay, now we have some practice. I'm just going to line up these decimals. I'm not going to solve these for you. You don't have to solve them right now just for time's sake, but I just want you to kind of watch closely here. So we're lining up the decimals. 0.867, 0.947. This is going to be perfect review because you will see stuff like this in your MCA or in your NWA. Because this one, for example, they will give you an answer that looks like this. Timeout. On your NWA and MCA, they'll have you do it like this, and they'll give you an answer that makes sense. This will be an answer, and a lot of you will pick it, but that's not how you would subtract this. So pay close attention here. 6.00 minus 2.49. Remember, 6 is greater than 2. You'd rather have $6 than $2.49. Same with this next one. They will give you an answer that looks like this on your NWA. That is not right. Please, please, please line up your decimals. 256.3 is greater than 4.785. So 256.3, 4.785. You fill in the zeros, and then you go ahead and subtract. That is how you solve those. Hopefully this helped a little bit with a little refresher about those relation symbols with greater than, less than, greater than, equal to, greater than or less than, equal to, and not equal to signs. Those are what make a number sentence. Good luck, and I look forward to working with you in math today.